Alright folks, strap in, because today we're heading deep into the mechanical rainforest to meet a creature that definitely isn't on David Attenborough's list. The Zontes 368G Jungle Edition. Straight from China, where scooters aren't just transport, they're borderline military equipment. Now, imagine this. A 368 cubic centimeters single-cylinder heart, pumping out nearly 39 horsepower and 40 newton-meters of torque. In a scooter. Yes, a scooter. The kind of torque that makes you question whether you're commuting or invading somewhere. Up front you've got a 17-inch spoked wheel, because the Jungle Edition doesn't do potholes. It does terrain. Crash bars. Standard. Fog lights. Standard. DVR cameras front and rear. Also standard. This thing records your commute like it's filming a documentary called Surviving Monday Morning. And because it's the Jungle Edition, you get that glorious military green armor, blacked-out bars, and adventure-stitched seating, basically the scooter equivalent of turning up to Tesco dressed like you're about to cross the Amazon. The 8-inch TFT dash looks like it was stolen from a fighter jet. The heated grips keep your fingers from freezing off in British weather, and the 17.5-litre tank gives you a range so big you'll forget what petrol stations look like. So if you're into scooters that think they're adventure bikes, or adventure bikes that think they're scooters, or you just want something that looks like it escaped from a secret Chinese R&D bunker, you're in the right place. More info is coming the moment I get it, and trust me, you'll see it here first. But before we roll deeper into the jungle, do me a favor, hit like, smash subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss a thing.
I'm coming for the throne.